On Monday, trading floors in the United States and Canada will be closed for the national holiday, Columbus Day. It means the thin market in the North American trade. Nevertheless, macroeconomic data will impact on trading sentiment in financial markets. Let's watch a video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. On early Monday, traders will be still digesting the news released over the weekend, in particular trade balance data from China. The Australian dollar is highly sensitive to any changes in China's exports and imports, as Australia is the major supplier of commodities to China's industry. Besides, the mining sector is the key sector of Australia's economy. In this context, information about growing China's imports, exports and proficit of trade balance will be a catalyst for loan deals on the Aussie dollar. Another thing, the same data could clear up the outlook for the global economy and determine the appetite for risk. On Tuesday, traders will get to know more economic data from China. The consumer price index is still trapped below the target level that signals waning momentum in China's economy. A flat CPI is sure to support the Japanese yen as a safe haven asset. If the forecast for subdued inflation in China comes true, the yen will receive a boost. It seems that muted inflation is a thorny issue worldwide. The UK is due report on its consumer inflation on Wednesday. In the previous report for August, the CPI slumped to 1.7% in annual terms, the lowest level in the recent 2.5 years. According to flash estimates, the CPI is likely to edge down to 1.6% in September. On the same day, Canada will also provide data on inflation. Interestingly, some analysts expect an uptick in inflation to 2%, but someone does not share the optimistic forecast and foresee a decline in consumer prices. The USD CAD pair will depend on the news from the United States. On Wednesday, the economic calendar contains a report of major importance. Retail sales are seen as a barometer of the US economic health. Importantly, consumer spending accounts for over 2/3 of the US gross domestic product. That's why investors shift focus to retail sales to assess consumer activity in the United States. The forecast suggests lower consumer spending in September, with a downtick in retail sales 2.3% from 0.4% a month ago. Such data will certainly trigger short deals on the US dollar. Apart from the above said reports, some other economic data will also contribute to trading sentiment. On Tuesday, traders will observe the minutes of the latest policy meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia. The UK will release a batch of data on the labour market. The survey will inform traders of business climate in Germany and economic sentiment in the Eurozone. Next day, investors will monitor inflation data from around the world. Besides the UK and Canada, traders will find out inflation data from New Zealand and the Eurozone. You're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.